Welcome VJ. Welcome VJ from India. Welcome to my channel. Welcome Farhan. Welcome Farhan from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna go grab some water. Okay. I'll take this out. I'll take this out. Let me go grab some water, okay? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. In my channel here today, I have something really cool to show you. They are all the very cool electronics gadgets. Why it's like this one. I'm actually having here right now. It's a Bluetooth speaker, on top of which so this is what I'm talking about. On top of which it has the microphone, amplifier, and DSP voice changer. So let me go back to this. DSP voice changer, so which means it's a microphone speaker. So when you speak to this, it's the voice of the speaker is going to amplify your voice to as loud as it possibly be, together with the DSP power that renders your voice in different modes. For example, now I am singing or talking to my microphone like this. It's gonna give you the very professional reverb and echo. Wow. Just give me a second. Wait a moment. Hey. Sorry, I just got a phone call. Okay. Let's get started. A microphone speaker like this. Okay, this is the microphone speaker, and this is the voice you can hear. It's your industrial voice, like it adds the echo, the echo and the reverb to your voice with the by the DSP power, and has the long-lasting battery that lasts very long time. I've been using this demo. I've been using this for my demo since 2 months ago, and I never charged this. This is the first time I charged this, and okay, just get a text message from someone. So basically, hey, hello, okay. So, hello, hello, hello. Hello. Okay, so basically, it's very much like a karaoke machine, with which you can carry out your street performing. You can sing outdoor, playing the background music at the same time, which is like the real karaoke machine, and then you play music from your phone through the Bluetooth connection, and that's the background music, and you can sing along with the music in the KTV mode. It's the karaoke mode, okay? But also, if you want to have some fun, this is gonna give you that kind of functionality. Let's say that
Female to male.
this is the female to male, which means that it renders your voice it changes voice from female to male. And if you're already a male's voice, just like my voice right here, and then your voice is gonna totally sound like Megatron, the Transformer, like the Transformer High. Okay, this is the Transformer.
Male girl.
And it has the male to female voice changer, which is so much fun. And in its mode, your voice is gonna sound like the girl. If the guy, okay, voice is gonna totally sound like the girl. So okay, you can hear this is the voice I'm actually talking, which is like the lady. Okay, it's like the lady boy. Okay.
Childlike voice.
And finally, it has the baby voice right here, and it's gonna make your voice sound like the little baby. Very funny. Take a look at this. This is my original voice, right? But if I talk to the speaker right here, my voice is gonna be changed to this baby voice, like voice sound. Okay. Like this. Hi, how are you? Take a little star. How I wonder where you are. So basically, this is the baby voice. We call it baby voice. Okay, it's the baby voice mode. Baby voice, right?
Original sound.
This is the original sound in its mode. Nothing is gonna change your voice. No rendering, nothing. It only amplifies your voice. That way, you can, let's say that you can have your presentation, you can have your meeting outdoor or indoor for a lot of people listening to you carefully. So it's have a listen. Can you see my voice is like obviously so much louder than my original voice. And this way you can speak effortlessly in the conference room with a lot of people right there, right? So you can speak effortlessly without yelling at all. So this is the original voice mode. Let's take a look at it. That's the original voice, okay?
The KTV.
And this is the KTV mode once again, which means you can absolutely sing like an angel. Hello, you can be singing like an angel.
Female to male.
All right, this is what a micro speaker can do for you. Okay. Um, Hi Shirley, how are you, Shirley? Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you so much for your likes. If you are interested in any of the product, just let me know. Okay, I can show you the functionality. For all the details, just let me know what you're interested in. Okay, I can be of the help. So I just went through this microphone speaker, which is so much fun. This is my own range of voice. I'm not sure if you like singing, but this is the voice changer. One click voice changer is something that really makes the whole thing very, very, very interesting. Like this, okay, my voice totally sounds like Megatron, the Transformer, okay. All right, that's my speaking. This is my original speaking voice, and this is my changed voice. Very much fun, okay. Apart from that, I'll introduce you something interesting as well. So if you're looking for something to listen to the music only by yourself, you don't want to share, you don't want to disturb the other ones, and you just want to enjoy some music all by yourself, then the ear plug is the thing that you really need. But if you go to the market, if you're looking for the wireless solution for the headset, it's like so many. It's like so many products for you to choose from. Like we know that one of the most expensive choices is absolutely the what it's called the AirPad by Apple, but the price range of that is something that not scary most of that seriously. Like if you ask me to choose the products like that, I think it's awesome, but it's got decent sound quality, that's for sure, but the price range is absolutely way beyond my expectation, my budget. Then what's the next choice? And you need the truly wireless solution. At the same time, it has to be hi-fi sound quality. Do you really have any other choices other than those brandy ones? Yes, of course. Let me introduce you something that I'm actually dying for you to see right here. For example, this one. So here, it has no battery anymore, so I'm just gonna have to charge the battery later on. But the thing is, if you buy something like this, take a look at this picture right here. So it's first of all, it's stylish, looks cool, okay. Then it has the long-lasting, big battery, big capacity, battery integrated inside, and a standard USB to charge. USB Type-C, a USB micro, and standard USB to charge. Very easy to use, right? On top of which, it has these functionalities all about. It's the Bluetooth version 5.2, which is the latest, and it also means that it's absolutely very stable, very stable. It's absolutely very stable. Very stable, hi-fi sound transmission. So the sound quality is absolutely really amazing. And it has the charging indications. As you can see here, it's going to give you the charging indications telling you how much battery. I don't have, I really want to show you guys how this works, but I don't have the extra charger to charge. If I can find one, that would be awesome. It's just okay, I'm gonna unplug this first and show you guys how this works. Okay, that's pretty much what it is. You see? So this is very easy to charge. The USB micro USB micro to charge the whole charging box, and the whole box is gonna be charged with the indicators telling you how much battery inside of this charging box, right? And the whole earbud right here will be charged automatically inside of this box. So, and it has the noise reduction, which means it makes sure that you can listen to the music in such a quiet situation wherever you are. So yeah, no matter where you are, you can listen to the music, like enjoy the music all by yourself in such a quiet situation, because the noise reduction of this was it's so awesome that it isolates all the noises from the environments, so you can absolutely have the world of the music of your own. On top of that, it has auto connection. So what does the auto connection mean is, okay, first of all, when you take those earplugs out of this charging box, the connection to your phone will be triggered, will be started, will be finished in 2 seconds to your phone, all right? And you can see that from your phone. But when you take this, put this to inside of this charging box, the connection to your phone will be off, will be OFF, okay, will be off, will be completely off. And so that's called auto connection without any of your worries and without any of your concern. About waterproof. So if you drop this, if you by chance dropped this into the water, if you by chance dropped this into the water, this can absolutely survive. It can absolutely survive no problem. Finally, it has this hi-fi sound quality. So if you love the deep bass, it's gonna give you the bass, all right? And also reserves the high frequency details at the same time. So it's fantastic sound quality. So if you are looking for something that gives you the very nice sound effects with the truly wireless capability, this is the one for you. Absolutely, is the one for you. What I really liked about this one is I love the like the charging indicator, like the auto connection setting, okay, and also the touching panel. The touching panel right here controls all the music, controls all the music from your phone, okay, from your phone. On top of that, I have quite a few different other choices for you. This is the one, and I also have this one. This one is the gamer designing. It's the gamer designing. It's the gamer designing for sure. It's the gamer designing. That's the gamer designing, and you can see when I reopen this, this front gets the very beautiful RGB lighting. It gives this very beautiful RGB lighting. Welcome Rexford. Welcome to my channel. So this has this very beautiful RGB lighting, shining while you open up the charging box right here. And the earbud is the in-ear designing right here. You can see that it's the in-ear designing with this beautiful RGB indicators telling you the status of this whole earbox right here. So yes, let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at another one. Looks cool, very sort of like sci-fi designing, and the in-ear designing means it has decent bass. If you're a bass lover, this kind of ear plug is gonna give you the sound effects. Also, auto connection, noise reduction, no problem. Auto connection. Since you take this out of this box, it's got the connection to your phone will be finished in 2 seconds. And if you put them inside of this box, the charging will be started automatically, and the connection to your phone will be off automatically without any of your concern. And this is absolutely awesome. This is absolutely awesome. Another thing is the touching panel right here. So here, this is the touching panel. Okay, that means you can control the sound choices, start or pause the music, start, pause the music, sound choices, volume control for sure, volume control, and the volume control for sure, power on and off manually, like all the functionality, even calling the server. You can call the server from this. For some of the products, it has like, if you push this for like 1.5 seconds or something, if you hold this for like 1.5 or something, it's gonna call this server. Then you can talk to server. That's the touching panel. Okay, and I have like this black one. Also have like this white one right here. This looks very stylish, and if you like that, it's completely up to you, like which one would you prefer, which one would you really prefer. You can see that if you like the black one or if you like the white one, you can choose whatever you want. So I also have like the yellow one. I think I dropped it somewhere, which looks also very cool. It's sort of like the bumblebee. Very, very cool. I don't know where did I put it last time. I need to find it. It has to be somewhere over here. Okay, so that's let's just take a look at this once again. Okay. Okay, let me close this because this is not really working. All right, so if you like this one, if you like this one, well, this is another type. This is another gamer designer designing type, and the only difference about this one is it also has the charging indicators right here. It has the charging indicators right here that tells you oh, this is the USB Type-C, so I'm just gonna okay, I'll charge this for a little while. Okay, it's 14 down, and this one is it's by USB Type-C. So where can I find my USB Type-C? Oh, that's right here. That's my USB Type-C. So okay, I'm gonna release this one. Okay, I put this away, and okay, take a look at this up close and personal. It has the charging indicators right here, tells you how much battery is being charged inside of this box. The whole box is a charging box. Well, welcome Elisa, Jemima, welcome to my channel. Okay, so if the whole box is being charged by the USB Type-C, the indicators right here is going to tell you the battery. Now it's like 0, and the bar on both sides indicates the charging state of the earplugs right here. Okay, you can take them out. And once you take them out from the box, the connection to your phone will be finished in 2 seconds, like automatically, without any of your concern. That's the auto connection capability. But once you put them inside of this box, the charging will be started. You see this bar right here keep going up, which means it's been charged, and that way the connection to a phone will be disconnected like immediately without any of the concern. This is the auto connection. Very, 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 very convenient. And it's also waterproof, and the sound quality of this one is also very, very good. And this one is meant for the gamer, so it has like the it has like the switch between game and the music. It has like two modes. It has like the music mode and the game mode, which means it's very much like the equalizer, but more than equalizer, because in the game mode you can absolutely hear the positioning of the gaming. You can absolutely hear the objects, like whoever is approaching you, like the objects, the 3D objects from the game, like which this direction is this object is approaching you right now. So it has the better positioning effect in the gamer mode than like the regular music mode. So it has two modes for gamer, and this is for gamer, this is for gamer as well. This is for gamer. This is also for gamer. Okay. This is also for gamer. These two are this from the same designing. The only difference is that the coloring, and this is more white and this is more black. Which one do you prefer? It's completely up to you. And also this one, I'm actually doing this right here, is the one with the indicators, as you can see here. So the one with the indicators, very clearly you can see how much battery left inside of this box, like 80% of the that means the battery level of this whole charging box. And also you can use this charging box as a mobile charger for the emergency. Yes, you can connect this to your smartphone. You can connect this to your smartphone for charging. You can connect it to smartphone for charging for sure. That's one thing. Okay, we call that one thing. Another thing is that's for sure. And all right. So if you like this one, just let me know. Okay, leave me a message. Leave the message in chat now. Wow, Alibaba chat now. In Alibaba chat now, leave me a message out there, or the Facebook, YouTube Messenger on Facebook, or YouTube private chatting. Leave me a message out there. Okay. Take a look at this once again. And apart from that, I have something else. Okay, I have like this one right here. It's a USB hub, which is called 10-in-1 USB hub. It's an extension, so it has VGA, HDMI, RJ45 network ports, another 3 USB ports on the other side. Also, it has the SDTF car reader. Yes, it has the SDTF car reader, and it has this USB Type-C PD port and the audio jet as well. Everything goes through the USB Type-C all the way to your stylish laptop, because we know that most of the stylish laptop not have the USB Type-C for sure, and they don't have enough USB ports because it's a stylish laptop, which means the space is very important. They have to save the space. They have to make sure that space is more than enough to handle like everything. Okay, that's a space issue. That's a space we're talking about right here, and that's why most of the stylish laptops really need more than that two USB ports. Okay, they need that. So this is the USB port we're talking about. That's the USB port we're talking about. And in this 10-in-1 USB extension, what you can do is you can have so many interfaces in one pack. You see them, and they can absolutely work together. Where at the same time, like okay, let's say VGA ports, which is very important for some of the very old, vintage projectors. For example, now it's time for you to have the meeting and have all the materials stored in your stylish laptop, and which does not have the VGA output port, but you have like this very old projectors in your meeting room only. So the only option is for you to output the image from your stylish laptop to the VGA port, which needs a converter. And at the same time, you need to read material from another three extra USB key, and they have only two on your laptop, on your stylish laptop. What are you gonna do? So you need this port, that port. You need the video outputs, the high-speed downloading from RJ45. You need everything. You need everything. Then you can't just say, oh, I buy the converter like one after another. I buy the converter. I have like a bunch of converters connecting to the same stylish laptop, which is impossible, right? So in order to solve all the problems, to solve all the problems, to stop you having those problems, these troubles, this 10-in-1 extension is really important. It's very useful. It's so useful that you can absolutely solve the problem. Like it absolutely solves 10 problems at the same time, and they absolutely work together at the same time. So you can output your image to the older vintage big screen like the projectors while downloading something at high speed through RJ45 ports. This is something that most of the stylish laptops do not have because it's a big port. As you can see, it's a big port, which means it takes a lot of space. And as I said, that the space of the stylish laptops is absolutely very precious, and you need to save the space, right? That's why most of the stylish laptops really cut off those those not necessary or not that important ports from the laptops to save the space, but you need them sometimes. So this is absolutely very important, and it's very practically useful. And also, what I really like about this is you see it has SDTF card reader on the other side. That really allows you to read the video or photo material directly from those cards instead of your camera. Okay, because sometimes we need let's say sometimes we need for example, like I have like this Sony Nex, it's called Sony Nex 5N or something, the camera, a professional camera, which was almost 15 years ago. It's a very old camera, however it's still working, and I need that to finish some shooting. After that, reading material from that camera, it's just it's a little bit miserable because it was an old camera with only USB mini. USB mini, the USB mini is like, I think it has disappeared for like really a long time, and now if you want to find the USB mini cord, the cable to connect that camera to your computer is very hard. It's so hard for you to find this kind of cable because it's so yesterday. Nobody's using that anymore. What are you gonna do? How are you supposed to read material from that old camera to your computer? What's your choice? The only choice is to buy a reader, right? The SDTF card reader. However, this one has already integrated the SDTF card reader inside, as you see right here. So you can take the card, and put the card inside of the slot right here, put the card in the slot right here, read the material directly from the card through the USB Type-C high speed. That way, crashes over it. You can read material even from the card directly without connecting your computer to the camera, like with the wire. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. So that's something I really like about this, because I just finished some shooting 2 days ago by using this kind of old Sony Nex camera, which has USB Mini only, and this one really saved my life because I can take the card from camera and put the card inside of this extension and read all the materials to my computer in such a convenient way. That's what I love about it. Seriously, okay. And I'd like to talk about RJ45 network right here, because my stylish laptop does not have this port, only because it's a big port, takes too much space, so they cut off the ports. Yeah, of course, we can use the Wi-Fi most of the time, but problem is the speed of the Wi-Fi can never be comparable to the RJ45 network port, because especially in the office with a lot of people using the same router, okay, Hi-Fi is awesome, convenient, but the problem is the speed is not that comparable to the wired port. That's why RJ45 is sometimes important for, especially for the high-speed downloading. So this one is right here, fulfilling this kind of need for me to do the downloading, which is very awesome. So I like it. So it has all the very important ports, which were cut off by the designers of the stylish laptops for the space saving. So we understand that part, but we need them back. So 10-in-1 USB extension is right here for you to take away with. Go to Alibaba the main page to see how much it costs, and if you're watching me on other platform, you can also ask me right now by leaving me a message in the comment section, or send me the message privately in the messenger. So no problem, please do that. Let me go to the next one. I'm sure this is something I like this one, because this is the one that really makes your life so much easier. It's right here. It's been charged for a little while, so I think it's gonna be in use for now. Okay. So this is the vacuum cleaner right here. This is the vacuum cleaner right here. It's the portable vacuum cleaner as we speak. It's a portable vacuum cleaner. Okay. It's the portable vacuum cleaner. I'm not that dirty yet. I'm gonna make it dirtier. Okay, sometimes when it comes to doing the cleaning inside of the car, your bedrooms, your living rooms, especially with a lot of the objects here and there, it's so hard. It's so miserable. It's so troublesome and miserable. That's for sure. So that's why I don't like doing the cleaning before. I hate doing the cleaning before. That's the thing. But now with this, doing the cleaning is something that's so convenient. Like, I've loved to do the cleaning inside of my office almost every other hour. Seriously, all thanks to this, a vacuum cleaner. It's the wireless portable designing vacuum cleaner that is here to rescue you, save your time, make your life so much better. Take a look at it. This is star. That's right here. That's right here. Okay, you see, it's so easy to do the cleaning, like anytime, anywhere, all thanks to this. This product is extraordinarily popular in the places like the car. For the places like the car, we can see how you're supposed to put this inside of the car right here, and there's no problem. You can put this inside of the car, or like this or that. You can put this inside of the car anywhere you want, because it's very portable, and also it's so easy to charge the whole vacuum cleaner by the USB Type-C port. This is the USB port right here, and you just connect this to the USB Type-C. That's it. And you see the lights are here flashing, telling you, oh, it's been charged in blue, which is very stylish, very convenient. Okay. So that's the whole charging. That's the charging process, and it's also very easy to use because it has 2 levels of the power selection right here, right next to the power button. Most of the time, we see that push to start is very convenient. Yes, just push to start right here, and this is the power selection, which means you have 2 selections, 2 levels of the power selection. It has the regular power and the turbo mode. Turbo mode means you can do the power, you can do the vacuum cleaning in a very let's say in a very powerful mode. Most regularly the power of the selection right here is only 8,000 Pa as the regular power. In the turbo mode, the power of the vacuum unit is 13,000 Pa, which is almost double. In that case, you can do the vacuum cleaning on any objects for any sticky things at all. Seriously, very convenient. So 2 levels of the power selections right here in order for you to do the cleaning in different environments. This one is very powerful. Okay, let's just take a look at this once again. Chamber right here, that's the chamber right here to, let's say that's the chamber right here to do all the cleaning, to have all the trashes, and there's like some filters right here to make sure that nothing is gonna go to the motor parts. Okay, and here is like the photo brush right here. That's the photo brush right here. That's the photo brush right here. Can take a look at this. Okay, so without a brush, it's completely up to you. All right, so let me give you another demo. This is very important for the stuff like the keyboard. I have a dirty keyboard at home, all because of my cats and my kids. Okay, let me have a little demo for you right here. It's gonna be more like realistic. Okay, it's right here. Oh, where is the monitor window? That's right here. Wow, where is it? Why it's gone? Why is it gone? Okay, it's right here. Welcome, man, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. You just keep me right on time because I'm trying to demonstrate how wonderful this vacuum cleaner is. Take a look at this. That's the problem you sometimes have in your office, in my office, in your bedroom, right? So it has a lot of trashes. Well, here is like the trashes, like the dirts from my biscuits, my snacks, my chocolates, my candy, and it gets a lot of hair from my cats, my pets, my dogs, and I also have like, I don't know what this is, like the plastic thing right here. Also, it gets the eggshell, which grossed me out. Seriously grossed me out. I'm gonna make them disappear in such a short time. Just push to start right here, no problem. Push to start right here, and that's it. You see, the whole process is easy as part, right? But what about the keyboard? That's the most annoying part, especially if the keyboard is not wireless. It's the keyboard with the cord, with the wire. You can't take them out and flip over to do the cleaning, right? So here, this is what you can do. Let's be careful. Okay, you know what? So the whole thing, the whole keyboard is absolutely as clean as before. Thank you so much for following. Thank you, I am man. Thank you, a Y man. Thank you so much. Well, may I ask where you're from? A Y man. May I ask where you're from? If there's anything that I can that you are interested in specifically, I can show you that for you. Okay, I can show that for you. No problem. So this out of the most of the gadgets that claim to be like lifesaver, I think this is the real one. I love this. I absolutely love this. It makes your life so much easier. Especially this makes you doing the cleaning for those objects, for those missing impossible objects. Like so convenient for now. Now take a look at this. Okay, I'm gonna press that stuff in. What I found the tester right here. So what are my speaker? Let's take a look at my speakers right here. I'm gonna take those things out. Take a look at my speaker right here. Take this. Well, take a look at this carefully. Carefully. Okay. Take a look carefully. You can also use the brush to help you a little bit more. With or without a brush, that's completely up to you. Okay. Okay, it's a foldable brush right here. You can pull this up if you don't want to use it, or you can just take this out. If you don't use it, you can fold this up. But if I use this, it's called a two-in-one. It's called a two-in-one vacuum head. It's the two-in-one. It's called what? It's called? It's called two-in-one flat head. Flat head. All right. It's the two-in-one flash head. Also, what's the next one? What's the next one? Right here. Also, you can use this one to do the cleaning on the floor. How? How are you supposed to do the cleaning? Watch me carefully. Watch me carefully. Okay. And this is what you need to do the cleaning on the floor. Okay. So basically, that's what it is. Should we start right here? Okay, I'm going to do this once again for you. I'm going to do this once again for you. Okay, watch me carefully. Carefully. Right there. Watch me. Well, imagine this is the floor, not your table. It's a floor, so you can do the floor cleaning effortlessly by using extension. That's the extension, right? That's the extension, and yes. Now you can do the cleaning effortlessly. Just like this, on the floor, okay? I can do cleaning on the floor just like this. So it's got a floor cleaner. It's got a floor cleaner, flat head, and it also gets like this small flat head, the sharp small. It's a sharp small head for you to do the cleaning with the brush. So you can choose to use it or not use the the brush very easily. So basically, that's a short demo of this vacuum cleaner. And okay, here we go. You know, I have to wash. I have to use the toilet. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm sorry. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Okay, I noticed that AY Man is chatting with us, right? That's okay. So basically, these are all the. Okay, I have something else to show you. This one. I want to show you this one with the lights down, because in this mode you're not gonna see how beautiful this is. Welcome, Francis Middle. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. Welcome. The only reason I'm turning down the lights is because I want to let you guys to see how this is behaving. What's the let me show you this. Look, it's right here. I'm going to show you how this works. It's the mechanical RGB keyboard. It looks crazy. Very, very beautiful. And also the price of this one is surprisingly low. Okay. One level of ambient light is going to make this better. Okay. All right. I'm having this little baby right here because first of all, it's the real mechanical keyboard. Okay, this is a question because most of the people, when it comes to mechanical keyboard, the first question you're probably gonna ask me is how much this is gonna cost, what the price of this one could be. Yes, I know mechanical keyboard means it's very expensive. Most of them are really expensive. Well, let's just take a look at this. If this is a real mechanical keyboard, okay. Okay, this is absolutely a real mechanical keyboard. You can take this out. So first of all, it's the real mechanical keyboard. B, it's the RGB backlights. C, it's the programmable RGB lighting sets keyboard with all the special features, all those amazing features above. You probably can ask me, okay, it's a RGB programmable RGB mechanical keyboard, which probably makes this crazily expensive. Yes, mechanical keyboard alone is expensive. That alone, it has RGB lighting, programmable RGB lighting. However, this one is such a cost-effective product that you are going to be surprised, really, like you never see before. If you go to our webpage on Alibaba, you can see the price of this one. You can see the price of this one. This is absolutely crazily low price, and it's the real mechanical keyboard with the RGB lights. RGB lights, okay. You think I'm crazy? I'm not crazy. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to introduce you all the cost-effective, very useful, very full functional, cool gadgets that makes your life so much easier with the nice cost. So this is probably the cheapest, one of the cheapest RGB mechanical keyboard you can find in the whole market. No kidding. Okay, go to the page of Alibaba. You can see the price of this. I'm sure you are going to be surprised by the price of this one. Very cheap, very cheap, and it's a real mechanical RGB keyboard. Take a look. First of all, the sound, the touch and feeling of the keyboard, of the mechanical keyboard, it's the highlights, right? That's the main reason. Sorry. That's the main reason most of the people buy the mechanical keyboard, the touch and feeling. So you're not gonna feel the same way as me, because you're not gonna feel this until you really try this out by yourself. But you can hear from the sound, because my microphone is right next to the keyboard for you too. Yes, the whole touching feeling, you can hear that the sound is absolutely crispy, and the whole touching feeling is such it's so accurate. It's so accurate. I'm sorry, it's so accurate, and the sound is crispy. It's absolutely such a joyful thing to use this keyboard. Very comfortable touching feeling at all. On top of that, take a look at the lighting modes right here. Take a look at the lighting modes. You see, now it's in the lighting show, right? It's running in like automatically, and you can switch the modes. So that's another mode. This is the constant on. So nothing is gonna change. Everything is gonna be constantly on. Okay, it's all the lights in the goodness. Wow, this is like pretty much off, but leaving these 4 keys, it's the direction keys for gamer. So sometimes as a gamer playing a game in the darkness, you really need to mute all the ambient light. That gives you a like the very exciting, very live exciting experience, because only the screen gives you the lights. This works very well when it comes to playing the games like Resident Evil. You really need that kind of feeling, right? So that way the keyboard is gonna be mute, like all the lights are gonna be black. Only the very important keys will be lighting up, like the direction keys for games, right? Those keys are gonna be kept. That gives you the very dark environment for you to enjoy your game with the exciting feeling. Okay, let's go to the next mode. So this is the breathing mode. You see, it's the full breathing mode. So all the lights all the lights are pretty much flashing, but it's in the fades in, fades out. It has the fades in, fades out. You see, it's the brightening mode. What's the next mode? Okay, let's go to the next mode. Okay, in the next mode, it has the sort of like this little interactive reactions. Take a look at this. Now everything is black, but if I touch one key, okay, I think it's gonna be better that way. If I touch just one key, it's gonna generate the wave from all the lights. And the center of the wave is gonna be the key you just hit. You see? The center. Okay. The center of the wave is going to be the key you just hit. All right, it's beautiful, right? It's absolutely beautiful and a lot of fun to play with. And also, if I keep going to the next mode, it's still the same waving generation, waving mode, but it only affects the line of the key you just hit. You see? It only affects the line of the key you just hit. But it's still the waving generation. It's just still the waving generation. All right, and if I go to next mode, so let's take a look at this. So this is very interesting. Only the key you just hit will be lighting up with the fades in, fades out. See? Very, very interesting, huh? And finally, what's it? Oh, okay. This is constantly on, and it has the wave from the key you just hit. It has the wave from the key you just hit. You see? Right here. Okay. So let's go to next mode. Welcome Raymond Price. Welcome to my channel. So basically, what I just saw was the interactive mode, and now it's in the auto lighting show. So in this mode, it's while the lights are gonna be running, it's gonna be running this way. In auto running mode, you see it's in auto running mode, like automatically. Very beautiful. It has quite a few modes. Okay, that's one mode. So basically, it runs from one light to another light in a circle, which is like a tornado, okay, and spreads out. Very beautiful. It's fantastic showcase. And this is another running mode. So let's go to the next mode. Okay, this is the waving mode. So it has like all the lights on, constantly on, and it has like this waving effects from one side to another side. Oh, also this is sort of the same. This is also sort of the same. Okay, that's another lighting show mode. And you can take out all the key. Let's say, yes, let's see if I can take this out. Okay. So basically, I just show you like the all the functionalities and the lighting modes of this keyboard right here. It's first of it's a real mechanic keyboard. It's a real mechanic keyboard, and it has like this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful RGB lighting modes like running all over the place for you to choose from. It's absolutely very beautiful. Okay, and also it's cost effective. Among all the mechanic keyboard, the price of this one is absolutely one of the most competitive among them all, comparing to all the rest of them. So if you're looking for a real mechanic RGB mechanic keyboard and you are in the budget, think about this one. If you need a real mechanical keyboard and you are in the budget, think about this one. Think about this one, okay? Okay, that's basically this what we can do with this keyboard. This is what we can do with this keyboard. And welcome Tra Tai from Vietnam. Welcome Tra Tai from Vietnam. Welcome to my channel. Alright, that's this keyboard. And I would like to go through another one, which is this. What is this? Okay, this is absolutely a beautiful thing, beautiful little thing. It's a wireless speaker with the radio, Bluetooth, and auxiliary amplifier. And the sounding quality of this one is absolutely amazing. It has two bass. It has two bass radiators that really boosts the bass to such a crazy level. First of all, it has the radio set, right? It has the radio set. It's the FM radio set. It has the radio FM tuner inside. It's a digital tuner inside for you to listen to the local FM channel in such a convenient way. You can scan the channel automatically, and once it's scanned, it saves the channel to store the channel to the flash memory inside. And oh, it's on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, so it's to the Bluetooth device is ready to be paired. Welcome Abaudulay. Welcome to my channel. Okay.
FM tuner.
That's the FM mode. That's the FM. Okay, let me turn off the lights a little bit more. It's too bright. Okay, that's the FM tuner. Let's have a demo. So that's the scanning. Okay, that's the second channel, which was just a scan.
Battery is low.
Wow.
Please recharge in
So the
time.
battery is low. That's the problem. So that's the third channel, and once once it's scanned, all the channels are gonna be stored, saved inside of this flash memory to be remembered.
有像过变得会有小到中语堂这样的建筑就特别适。对，它虽然有一个很好听的名字叫天死了游客的人身和财产安全受损。欧洲国家的强烈批评，一直以来，欧洲灯胆。炸裂吧中年，把一地鸡毛做成大。情绪又特别的极端，所以说可能备受这个疾病。看这个，
Okay.
Clock mode.
That's the clock mode, which means it has.
Battery is low.
You can set up.
Please recharge in time.
You can set up the well. It just keeps telling me the battery is low. So in this clock mode, you can use this as a alarm clock, and the clock is displayed right here. That's the time. That's the time. Okay, you can set up the alarm clock. Also, it has the temperature teller. See, if you hit this, it's gonna tell you, wow, it has 19 degrees. Said it's 19 degree in my office, right? 19 degree. Okay, and also it has, let's take a look at this. Okay, you see it has the TF card reader to read the music directly from the card, and it has like this microphone connectors, which means you can sing karaoke. Yes, and also this is the computer audio connector, so you can use the cord, the audio
Battery
jet
is low.
to connect to
Please
this.
recharge in time.
Oh, that's really annoying. So you can connect this to your computer by using this audio jets, and that's the USB mini. Yes, I think that's that's USB micro for charging, and this is the USB port right here for connection. So basically,
PC mode.
so that's the PC mode. That's the PC mode, which means
Power off.
all right, you're not gonna see anything because it has no battery anymore. Basically, it has all the amazing features. It has all the amazing features, and the sound quality is probably something you guys are concerned about the most, given it's a small speaker, right? It's a small speaker that you normally install on top of the desk. Then you're probably gonna ask me, okay, how much is it gonna how much bass is it gonna give you, like how clear the sound is gonna be like. Okay, you're probably gonna ask me those kind of questions, but yes, of course, you're probably gonna ask me those kind of questions, but what I can only tell you is the sound effects of this one is crazy. It's absolutely crazy. It's strong deep bass, and all the controlling buttons right here, as you can see. Strong deep bass and a long-lasting battery. I really want to show you the sound of this one. However, it has no battery. The battery is completely dying. So what I can tell you is the bass of this one is gonna be so much better. You give it the credit for. When I first took a this, okay, I thought it's a small chamber. It's a speaker with a small chamber. It's not a big chamber, which means it can't give you the very exciting sound effects at all, right? Normally, well, let's say that if you want to experience the very wide dynamic range, you need the big chamber to to process the air of the sound, right? But this one, you see, the chamber is not that big, which means we are not expecting too much out of this. However, because of the special designing, the equalizer together with the passive bass radiators right here, you can really hear this amazing bass, deep, amazing, strong bass right here. The bass is so strong that it can shake the whole table. Or when you're doing live session, give you guys a little demonstration about the sound effects. When I hold this, playing the music, my hands, my whole arms were trembling because of the bass. All right, so I'm telling you, the bass of this one is crazy. It's gonna, it's gonna way beyond your expectation. It's gonna be so much better than you give it the credit for. It's absolutely fantastic. It's very exciting. And the stereo sound, of course, stereo sound, it has like this three styles of the equalizer for you to choose from. It has the pop, it has the flat, it has the rock, which is my favorite. I like the rock because rock boosts the bass. All the controlling buttons right here, so it has all the beautiful RGB lighting. Yes, it has all the beautiful RGB lighting and all the keys, every single key On top of it is the mechanical key, which means it has very strong touch feeling, very accurate, and also like the sound of those controlling buttons is very crispy, very strong. Okay, and you can do the music control. You can pause and continue music by hitting this. You can do the sound choices right here. Next song, last song, you can do the sound choices right here, and then you can also do the volume control right here. You can up the volume, down the volume right here. You can choose the mode right here, and also set up the alarm clock. Like basically, you can do all the controllings by using those keys, which are comparable to the mechanic keyboard. Very comfortable. So I like this one. I absolutely like this one. All right, I absolutely like this one. Okay, and okay, basically that's what it is. A Bluetooth speaker, wireless speaker with the radio set, the Bluetooth. Okay, I don't know how it just.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It's beautiful, right? It's like with those lights are flashing. Okay, yeah, so many lighting modes. Okay.
Power off.
Okay, it's not gonna last very long since that's the battery anymore. All right.